Guys, I am back, and today I got a little bit of surprise for ya. So I just got back at Target, and I got myself the brand new AEW Championship. It looks so beautiful. I really love the main plate of the title belt. It looks amazing. It looks creative. I love the side plates. They look beautiful. And I actually love the color. It's like a uh, silverish gold color, I think. Or maybe it's just silver. Yeah, I think it's just silver. And today I'm going to open this championship title up right now. So let's do it. So yeah, let me give you a little bit of history about this title. This title belt was released in 2019 in a type of pay-per-view called All In. And yeah, we only have three AEW championships AEW champions so far for like the past two years now. Their names are Chris Jericho, um, Dean Ambrose, also known as John Moxley. I hope I'm saying his name right, and Kenny Omega, who's the current AEW champion. So I just unwrapped it right now. Give me a few seconds, please. It has some rubber bands, so I'm going to take the rubber bands off right now. I just did. It still has a little bit of tape in it, so I'm just going to take off the tape. Ah. Give me a few seconds. Yeah, sometimes it's hard to take off the title belts because they add like extra material on it, like rubber bands. I think they wanted to keep it safe so it won't get broken. And yeah, I really love collecting WWE Championship belts. If you want me to review my other WWE Championship belts or AEW Championship belts, let me know in the comments, please. And here we go. And whoa, this looks amazing. This title belt looks amazing. I really love the design of the championship. If I have to describe it, I want to say that it looks like the combinations of the WWE Million Dollar Championship with a combination of the Intercontinental Championship and the original WWE Championship. You know, the Attitude Era Championship. And yeah, I think it really looks cool. I really love the side plates of the belt. Like I said, it's a silver title belt, and I still have a little bit of rubber band on it. Got it. There we go. And yeah, this belt looks really amazing. Let's look at the side plates. They're all full side plates now. Because in WWE Championships, each belt has two side plates, but this one has full side plates, which is amazing. And over here on the side, you can see AEW. And you can also see the Planet Earth on each side plate. Same thing with the other one. I think it's made for. I think the straps are made from a different material because the strap looks like that's made from like a fabric material because the other WWE Championship belts are made in a level type of material, and I think that's a way to change it up for a little bit. And I still think that this title belt looks awesome. All right, now the ultimate test. Yeah, this title belt looks good on me. I love it. And yeah, I think this title belt looks amazing. And in case you're wondering, for like the past few weeks now, for like a month, AEW has been going to different time zones, such as Fridays. And last week they went on Saturday because for like the past few weeks there have been basketball games. And in my opinion, I really think that AEW really is really good on. It doesn't matter what days. I still think that AEW is good on whatever day it wants to be. But in my opinion, I would have to say on. I think it was a good idea to keep it on Friday. But yeah, have a new show in the future, and they want to let people get ready for that. And yeah, this is the new AEW Championship that I got from Walmart, and yeah, it looks really nice. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a wonderful day. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you want to see me review any other WWE Championship belts in my collection because I have a lot of them. And yeah, I'm really excited for AEW. Oh, by the way, AEW's on tonight. Today is a Wednesday, and I'm gonna after I'm done making this video, I'm gonna watch AEW. And yeah, please always be a champion, and I'm out.